Hello, we're coming at you the afternoon of Tuesday, July 5th, 2022, with our ROFFS weekly Gulf of Mexico update. Hope everybody had a safe and happy July 4th holiday. ROFFS was closed yesterday in observance, and we're back at it today and this week. Again, this week we're going to look at an ocean color chlorophyll image, which is actually from yesterday evening through imagery we got this afternoon. Just because the sea surface temperature heats in the afternoons in the summer, and it's harder to see things, and it's much easier to see what's going on with the circulation with ocean color. So first off, over here we have labeled the loop current. That had been a little bit closed off. Looked like it might be forming into an eddy, but it does look like it's reattached and have a normal loop current situation. Still circulating up over Atwater Valley, over Lloyd's Ridge, in towards the steps, pushing a little bit east off of Tampa. A little bit different this week. Last week you still have a big overall counterclockwise circulation in here on the northeastern side of the loop current. You have all this water coming out of the Mississippi River Delta, brown to green, a blend in the blue-green as you get offshore. This circulation, it had been pulling blue water up over the squiggles, the wings, unexploded ordnance, north of the spur, and up towards the nipple. That's still occurring. There are some pockets of cleaner blue water, but when you get over DeSoto Canyon and west over the steps and further west towards the delta, that water's all blended now. And if you look here all the way from the steps area out to the double nipple, over to DeSoto Canyon, and offshore to the southeast, you have all blended blue-green water. There's probably still some decent tuna, mahi dolphin and marlin in there, but it is disconnected from the loop current. There is a 30 mile plus wide pool of blue-green stuff, and there are some pockets inshore, like I said, towards the wings, the squiggles, unexploded ordnance, up towards the nipple, north of the spur, for some decent action. Over southwest, over towards the dump site, Mississippi Canyon still covered with green water. Southwards towards the dump site, over towards the Green Canyon, you got a counterclockwise eddy and a clockwise rotating eddy pulling blue water from offshore up over those areas. Look pretty favorable. Further westward, you have another counterclockwise rotating larger eddy that's pulling blue water up over and towards the Flower Gardens area, creating some good conditions west of the Bullwinkle over towards the Flower Gardens. And continuing further west over off the east coast of Texas, you have a counterclockwise eddy in here that's up towards the Colt 45 area. You have another counterclockwise, you have another clockwise rotating eddy down far to the south of the Mexico border. But this eddy is helping this cleaner blue water come in up over the ledges, up over towards Texas Canyon, Noesis Dome, Colt 45, and some of this water is then moving in over towards the East Breaks, Dutra Rock, Falcon's Nest, down over Aransas Bank and inshore. It's pushing close 20 fathoms offshore of Aransas and South Padre Island, bringing some water in from offshore to inshore, creating some favorable conditions there. You also have an eddy out here rotating clockwise that's also helping some of this blue water come up and around and in towards the hilltops area and the dump site. There's a lot of blue water out there southwest of the Flower Gardens over towards Aransas. Looks good. Over towards Flower Gardens and to the east, like I said, there's some blue water conditions. Looks good as well. Further to the east, Green Canyon, south of Mississippi Canyon, blue water pushing in as well, looks good. And over to the east, really the better conditions are the northern, northeastern, and northwestern edges of this cleaner loop current water, but that is far offshore. It is south of the double nipple, south of the DeSoto Canyon, out towards Atwater Valley, Lloyd's Ridge, and towards the steps southwest of Tampa. That's about it for this week. Again, hope everybody had a safe, happy, and healthy 4th weekend. You can always order online on our website, www.roffs.com, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Call the office during regular business hours, 9 to 7 and 9 to 4 on Saturday, 321-723-5759. And don't forget to follow us on our social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Our handle is @ROFFSFishing. That's it, everyone. We'll come at you again next week with another update. And good luck out there fishing this weekend. Thank you.